What's going on, guys? Greg here and welcome back to the shop. And in today's video, you and I are going to take a closer look at a premium performance suspension kit designed to make your street car handle like a race car. This kit is built and designed by KW Suspensions, and this is their V3 coilover kit for all 16 to 19 Chevy Camaros. Now, when it comes to performance suspension, KW Suspensions is one of the global leaders. Their mission was to build and design the epitome of aftermarket performance suspension products, and if you ask me, they succeeded. KW Suspensions was founded in 1995, and it all started with 3 employees and 1,600 square foot facility. Fast forward to present day, and KW Suspensions now consists of over 200 employees in 5 locations worldwide, including a facility right here in the US. KW continues to push the boundaries to build only the best suspension products without ever sacrificing quality. In 2006, KW even added a state-of-the-art 7-post drive dynamics test facility at their global headquarters in Germany. This test facility can simulate different racetrack conditions to test KW products without ever having to install them on a car. There are only 15 other hydraulic test facilities available around the world, and most of them used by Formula One teams for research and development. Needless to say, guys, that KW Suspensions is willing to go to extreme lengths to build the best, highest quality performance suspension products on the market. So let's check out the kit that I have with me today. Like I said, this kit is designed to fit all 16 to 19 Chevy Camaros, anything from the 4-cylinder cars to the SS model. This KW coilover kit is loaded with tons of custom features and high quality materials. But remember, if you want the best, you're going to pay premium prices for it. And for this kit, that's just over $2,700. But let's go ahead and take a closer look at what you get for all that money, starting with the materials. Now, a common issue with some less expensive coilovers is that over time, they can rust, which is going to make it incredibly difficult to near impossible to adjust them. Now, to prevent corrosion, KW constructed the entire body of their coilover using stainless steel, and to add even more protection, KW then coats it in their INOX Line coating that won't wear off when making any adjustments. Now, you combine that with a polyamide composite spring seat, and this coilover is literally 100% corrosion resistant, which is a very attractive feature for those of you that may live in the Rust Belt. And speaking of attractive, the yellow springs also add a bit of bling at each wheel well. Now, component lifespan aside, let's talk about the real reason that you want a set of coilovers on your car, which is a lowered stance and improved handling performance. Well, these V3 coilovers deliver on both accounts. When it comes to ride height adjustment, you're going to have a large range to work with him, anywhere from 0.6 to 1.4 inches in the front and 0.6 to a full 1.5 inches in the rear. And of course, all adjustments are made via the adjustable spring seat with the provided spanner wrenches from KW that also come in this cool kit. Now, a lowered center of gravity drastically improves vehicle handling characteristics, but controlling wheel travel on all 4 corners is also important. This is going to allow you to not only ensure proper road contact and manage vehicle weight transfer for optimal handling, but it's also going to improve and adjust the ride comfort for the street. Now, to do that, KW offers adjustable compression and rebound dampening on each shock absorber. This means that you can adjust the rate at which the shock absorber compresses as well as the rate in which it extends, providing a very massive amount of adjustability for both street comfort and also track use. Making these adjustments is also incredibly easy. To adjust the shock's compression, simply use the built-in adjuster at the bottom of the shock body. Rebound adjustments are going to be made the exact same way, but using the built-in knob at the top of the rear shock, and for the front, inserting the provided knob into the top of the shock shaft. The point being is that these KW V3 coilovers offer a ton of easy-to-make adjustability, so you can dial in your suspension exactly how you want it. Well, everyone, that's going to wrap up my review today of KW's V3 coilovers for all 16 to 19 Chevy Camaros. So if you've been searching for a premium suspension system for your Camaro that offers loads of adjustability for track and street use, head over to Carid.com right now and check out this great KW coilover kit for yourself. And hey, while you're there, feel free to browse through KW's extensive collection of other very high quality performance parts and accessories. And as always, I'm Greg from Carid.com, and I'll see you guys next time.